The energy drink boom, a global phenomenon. We've all been there, right? That 2 p.m. slump at work when your energy levels dip and your productivity takes a nosedive. Or perhaps it's that long haul on the road, where every mile feels like a marathon. Or that late-night study session where the clock seems to move faster than your progress. Energy drinks have become a global phenomenon, offering a quick pick-me-up when we need it most. From students to professionals and everyone in between, these drinks have found their way into our daily routines. Red Bull, with its iconic blue and silver can, stands as a titan in this industry. It's not just a drink, it's a lifestyle. A brand that has become synonymous with energy and vitality. But have you ever stopped to wonder what's actually in that can and how it's made? What are the ingredients that give it that unique kick? Join me as we venture behind the scenes to explore the fascinating world of Red Bull production, from the initial ingredients to the final product on store shelves. We'll delve into the science and the art behind this popular beverage. We'll uncover the secrets behind this energy drink giant, exploring its meticulous manufacturing process, innovative marketing strategies, and the significant impact it has had on the beverage industry as a whole. Buckle up, folks, it's going to be an electrifying ride. From the factory floor to the global market, we'll see how Red Bull has managed to stay ahead of the competition and continue to energize the world. Red Bull's rise to the top, from Austria to the world. Red Bull's story is one of innovation and global domination, a tale of how a single idea can transform into a global phenomenon. It all started in the 1980s when Dietrich Mateschitz, an Austrian entrepreneur, encountered a popular Thai energy drink called Krating Daeng. This chance encounter would change the beverage industry forever. Inspired by this drink, he saw an opportunity to introduce a similar product to the Western market. He envisioned a drink that would not only energize but also create a new lifestyle. Mateschitz modified the original recipe to suit Western tastes, adding carbonation and tweaking the flavor. In 1987, Red Bull was born, marking the beginning of a new era in the beverage industry. What began as a niche product quickly gained popularity, first in Europe, and then spreading like wildfire across the globe. The brand's unique marketing strategies, including extreme sports sponsorships, played a crucial role in its rapid growth. Today, Red Bull is the undisputed leader in the energy drink market, sold in over 170 countries and consumed billions of times a year. Its journey from a small Austrian idea to a global powerhouse is a testament to the power of vision and innovation. Inside the can, deconstructing Red Bull's ingredients. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this energy drink so popular and effective. So what exactly gives Red Bull its kick? What are the components that make it stand out in the crowded energy drink market? The main ingredients are actually quite simple: water, sugar, caffeine, taurine, B vitamins, and glucuronolactone. But each of these plays a crucial role in delivering that energy boost. Let's break those down a bit further to understand their individual contributions. Caffeine, as we all know, is a stimulant found in coffee, tea, and chocolate. It helps to increase alertness and reduce the perception of effort, making it a key ingredient in energy drinks. Taurine is an amino acid naturally occurring in the body, and often associated with improved mental performance. It's believed to help with heart function and muscle development as well. B vitamins are essential nutrients that play a role in energy metabolism. They help convert food into energy, which is crucial for maintaining stamina and reducing fatigue. Glucuronolactone is a naturally occurring compound found in the body that is thought to have detoxifying effects. It's often included in energy drinks for its potential to improve physical performance and reduce fatigue. While the individual ingredients might be familiar, it's their unique combination and precise formulation that create Red Bull's signature effect. This synergy is what sets Red Bull apart, providing that unmistakable energy boost that so many rely on. Brewing the Bull, the manufacturing process unveiled. Red Bull's manufacturing process is a marvel of modern beverage production. It all begins with the sourcing of high-quality ingredients from around the world. The key ingredients are then carefully mixed with water to create a concentrated syrup. This syrup is then transported to Red Bull's various production facilities, strategically located across the globe to ensure freshness and efficient distribution. At these facilities, the syrup undergoes a series of processes including pasteurization, carbonation, and canning before it is ready to be shipped to consumers. Carbonation and canning sealing in the energy. Once the Red Bull syrup is mixed with water, it goes through a crucial process: carbonation. This involves injecting carbon dioxide into the liquid, giving Red Bull its signature fizz and refreshing taste. The carbonation process is carefully controlled to achieve the perfect level of bubbles. Next comes the canning stage. The carbonated Red Bull is dispensed into those iconic blue and silver aluminum cans, which are specifically designed to preserve the drink's freshness and protect it from light and air. The cans are then sealed airtight, ensuring that every drop of Red Bull maintains its quality and flavor. From factory to shelf, Red Bull's distribution network. Red Bull has built a highly efficient distribution network to ensure that its product reaches consumers quickly and efficiently. From the production facilities, the cans are transported by trucks, trains, and ships to distribution centers around the world. These distribution centers act as hubs, storing and then dispatching the Red Bull to retailers large and small. The company prides itself on its sophisticated logistics system, which ensures that Red Bull is always available to consumers, whether they're at the supermarket, the convenience store, or even at the top of a mountain. Beyond the blue and silver Red Bull's marketing genius. Red Bull's success isn't just about its taste or its energy-boosting properties. The company has also masterminded one of the most recognizable and effective marketing campaigns in history. Red Bull's strategy goes beyond traditional advertising. It's about creating experiences, sponsoring extreme sports events, and associating the brand with adventure, energy, and pushing limits. From Formula One racing to cliff diving to skydiving, Red Bull's logo is synonymous with adrenaline-pumping action and daring feats. This strategic marketing has created a powerful brand image, connecting Red Bull with a sense of excitement and pushing boundaries. Red Bull's impact beyond the energy drink market. Red Bull's influence extends far beyond the realm of beverages. It has become a cultural phenomenon, inspiring countless imitators and shaping the way energy drinks are perceived and consumed. The company's commitment to extreme sports sponsorship has not only boosted the profiles of these sports, but has also created a unique marketing niche that sets it apart from competitors. Furthermore, Red Bull's success has spurred innovation within the beverage industry, leading to the development of countless new energy drink brands and flavors. Conclusion: the future of Red Bull. From its humble beginnings in Austria, Red Bull has become a global beverage empire. Its combination of a unique product, a sophisticated manufacturing process, and a brilliant marketing strategy has made it a household name and a leader in the energy drink market. As the demand for energy drinks continues to grow, Red Bull remains at the forefront, constantly innovating and evolving to meet the needs of its ever-expanding consumer base. The future of Red Bull seems as bright as its iconic logo, and it will be fascinating to see what new heights this beverage giant will reach in the years to come. If you found this video interesting and want to discover more about how things are made, built, explore, investigate, or manufactured, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to Manafacta.